Welcome to Tri-Town, a diverse community in northern Bergen County consisting of 3 adjacent towns, Teaneck, Bergenfield, and New Milford, which in many ways make up one big community.
The wide variety of stores and restaurants brings people from all these 3 towns together as one big community. Each town offers different housing options in different neighborhoods, and so sometimes instead of considering one town, it's important to consider all 3 in your property search.
Let's first start with Teaneck. Teaneck covers about 6 square miles with a population of about 40,000. It has several restaurant and commercial districts, a movie theater and Holy Name Hospital.
Just like New York City has Soho in the Upper West Side, Teaneck is comprised of neighborhoods as well. The West Englewood section of Teaneck is north of Route 4 and extends to the edge of Bergenfield. Country Club is nestled between Cedar Lane and Route 4, east of Teaneck Road.
Bergenfield is a beautiful town adjacent to Teaneck of a population of about 30,000 and 3 square miles.
Just like Teaneck, Bergenfield property values range from the 300,000s into the millions. Homes south of Newbridge tend to have higher price points, and they're more affordable on the north side of Newbridge.
New Milford is even smaller than Bergenfield, adjacent to both Teaneck and Bergenfield, just over 2 square miles, with a population of about 16,000. Three towns, one big warm community.
At V&N Realty, we're not just local market experts, but we're also a huge part of the community.
They're all beautiful suburbs with great schools, about 5 miles to Manhattan by car, bus, or train, and just minutes away from what New Jersey is known for, our many shopping malls.
I feel so connected to the Tri-Town area. It's where I eat, pray, and live, and I love helping others transition here as well.
I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Tri-Town. Please let me know if you have any questions about real estate in Teaneck, Bergenfield, or New Milford. Give me a call if you're looking for a home in Tri-Town. Whether you're buying your first home, looking to upsize, downsize, or invest, I'm here to help you through your transition.